68% of U.S. households, over 80 million families, own a pet. The chart below depicts the distribution of the different types of pets owned by American families. It expresses a percentage, how many more dogs are kept as pets in comparison to fish. So from this question, we know that we're expressing as a percentage, and then how many more dogs are kept as pets as comparison to fish. So we're dealing with dogs and fish here. So we find dogs in our chart and we find fish in our chart, and then we are actually going to cross out all the other information because it is extra information there to distract us. Now, we need to find a way to compare fish and dogs. So we have these two percentages, but what's the relationship between them? So off the side, we're going to make a chart. We have fish and we have dogs. And from the chart, we know that fish is 9% and dogs is 36%. And we want to keep the same ratio as we evaluate and continue to solve this problem. So if we imagine fish as our baseline because it's the smaller number, and imagine that baseline being 100%, we need to understand then if fish is 100%, what dogs would be. So to do that, we need to understand that relationship that we get from our chart. So from 9% to 36%, to get from that number, 9% to 36%, we're multiplying by 4. So similarly, if we're trying to get from 100% to what dogs should be keeping that same ratio, we should also be multiplying by 4, and that's how we end up with 400% for dogs. Now, we're trying to understand how many more dogs there are, or what that difference is. So we go ahead and subtract. We do 400% minus 100. And that's how we get to 300% as the correct answer for this question.